Hi everyone! In this video, I will show you how to private your Facebook account. First, open your Facebook app. In the top right corner, tap on Settings. Under Settings and Privacy section, go to Privacy shortcut. In the Privacy section, tap on See More Privacy Settings. Under the Your Activity area, tap on Who Can See Your Future Posts. Select See More and then tap on Only Me. Now, return by tapping the back button. Then, click on Limit Who Can See My Past Posts. Here, limit all the past posts. Repeat this step and choose who can see the people, pages, and lists you follow. Select Only Me once again. Limit your stories from others as well. Last but not least, tap on Who Can See Your Future Reels. After this, go to How People Find and Contact You. Tap on Who Can Look You Up using your email address. Select Only Me, repeat the previous step. Then go to Do You Want Search Engine outside of Facebook to link to your profile? Disable this option. Your Facebook account has been changed to private. If you guys got some value, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, goodbye.